Starting with the front, this massive, luxury motorhome immediately grabs attention with its aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, heavy-duty bumper, and rugged expedition styling. The enormous windshield and powerful front profile give it the presence of a true off-road giant. From the full side, the incredible length and size become obvious. Large panoramic windows, premium body panels, multiple storage compartments, and huge off-road tires create a perfect combination of luxury and adventure. From the rear three-quarter angle, you can see the massive body, rugged rear structure, exterior equipment, and the rear wheels working together to create an unmistakable expedition profile. The straight rear view reveals the full width of this motorhome. Its tall body, rugged construction, rear access ladder, and heavy-duty design make it look more like a mobile expedition headquarters than an ordinary RV. From above, the rooftop becomes the star, a spacious roof deck. Protective railings and solar panels create an impressive outdoor area. It's the perfect place to relax, enjoy the scenery, and experience the outdoors from above. Inside, the rugged exterior transforms into a luxurious living space. Premium seating, warm ambient lighting, elegant finishes, and huge windows create the atmosphere of a high-end luxury apartment on wheels. The driver cockpit features a commanding seating position, a wide panoramic windshield, modern controls, and large displays. From here, the driver gets a powerful view of the road while controlling this massive 8-wheel machine. The bedroom is designed as a private luxury retreat. A large, comfortable bed, soft ambient lighting, premium finishes, and a peaceful layout make it the perfect place to relax after a long day of adventure. The bathroom brings luxury on the road with a modern shower area, premium fixtures, elegant surfaces, and smart storage. It provides the comfort of a high-end hotel bathroom wherever the journey takes you. The kitchen combines functionality with luxury. Modern cabinets, spacious countertops, cooking equipment, and plenty of storage make it possible to prepare everything from a quick breakfast to a full dinner while traveling. And that's a complete look at this incredible 8-wheel luxury expedition motorhome. From its aggressive front and massive wheels to its luxurious interior, rooftop deck, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Would you take this beast on a cross-country adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible motorhomes and futuristic RV designs. This is VANZONEUSA, where luxury meets adventure.